Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to be able to get my hands on this product right here to review for you guys. This is the new Luna Mini 3 by FOREO. Do you want to know what this is about and what my honest thoughts are going to be? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so FOREO actually got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show their product to you guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely excited. I have seen this brand everywhere. I've heard it talked about and how good it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all about it. I'm going to open it up. I'm gonna sync it to my phone. I'm going to test it out, use it, and then I'm gonna use it even longer and then finalize my review to tell you guys what my honest opinion is to see if it's worth the money. So let's learn a little bit about this guy right here. This does come in different colors. I chose mint, obviously. They actually let me choose my own color, which I'm so glad because I chose the mint. It does come in a pearl pink, a fuchsia, my mint, the sunflower yellow, and midnight. And if you guys want to see, there are the colors right there. So there are different colors that you can choose from, and they have several different devices as well. This is just the new Luna Mini 3, but they have the standard size and they have other ones available as well. I think I saw on their website is the standard size ones, the different colors mean different things for like dry skin, for oily skin, sensitive skin, that type of thing. But for this one, I believe it's just the color is just the color, which I love this color. It says a mini to the max, meet the latest beauty tech you can't live without. The Luna Mini 3. We took all the things you love about the Luna Mini 2 and then raised the bar to a whole new level. We're pretty sure it's gonna glow you away. Like a day spa every day, imagine stepping out of your home day after day with the same beautiful, clean, glowing skin and conquer the world feeling of having just stepped out of the world's most luxurious spa. Imagine with Luna Mini 3, it can happen every day. How do you use this product, you might ask? Number one, you must connect your device to the app. So you download the FOREO app to your smartphone. Any smartphone, you download the app and then you connect this to it. You must unlock your Luna Mini 3 before using it for the first time, and you do that through the app, connecting it via Bluetooth. Then number two, you're going to dampen your face, apply your favorite cleanser, and then press the universal button. Glide Luna Mini 3's touch points in circular motions over your face until the built-in timer shuts itself off. Rinse Luna Mini 3, pat dry your face, and continue with your skincare routine. Sounds very simple. This thing looks amazing. It has smaller little bristles on the front and bigger ones on the back. 100% waterproof with no replacing brush heads needed. And it says Smart Facial Cleansing Massager. It's the ultimate post-workout cleanse for a fresh, healthy glow. So let's get this opened. Here is the device, and I'm sure there's going to be something in this little area here. It comes in this cute little bag. And when you open it up, there is the charger. You have, first things first, unlock your device. So you can use this QR code right there to scan it to download the app, which I will definitely do. It does give you a little sample of their cleanser, which I will definitely use that. Now, one thing they did send me this little cleanser as well. So I am definitely going to be using their cleanser first to see how that works because I've never used it before. I'll use this little one first and then use up this guy. And yeah, so I'm really excited. Ooh, whoa, that feels so nice. Okay, so this is just super soft. And you have this on the back and they're a little bit firmer, but they're still really soft. What? So now when you turn the button on, the bottom lit up for a second, but it's not gonna do anything because right now this bad boy is locked. This is also perfect for daily skincare and post-workout cleansing. Make sure your skin gets a good workout too. Post-exercise is when the skin is most receptive to sonic cleansing, especially after that steamy sauna. If you're not using a facial brush, especially after your workout, you're missing out on a huge additional benefits. Try it and you'll see the difference after only one use. Regular use will leave your skin looking softer, smoother, and more toned. Could definitely use that. Gentle yet effective. The Luna Mini 3 gently removes most of dirt, oil, and sweat after exercising or any other activity, leaving skin freshly prepped and powerful moisture absorption. Ultra hygienic and non-abrasive silicone, quick drying, non-porous silicone prevents bacteria buildup and effortlessly glides across the face. Compact, lightweight, ultra smooth silicone touch points work together with 8,000 T-sonic pulsations per minute at 12 different intensities to deliver a deep yet gentle facial cleanse minus the irritation. What? Offers a facial detox on a whole different level. Okay guys, so I found it easier just to scan the QR reader with my phone because I have the app and it goes straight to it and it found it instantly. And then I registered, just a few questions it asks, you put in an email address, then it sends you an email with a code that you put in the app to actually verify everything. Once it was verified, it was unlocked, and it's pretty neat because the way that you set this up, you have the different, you have the level from like 0 to 12 for the intensity, but it tells you like first you start on your forehead and then your right cheek, left cheek, and then your chin. So it does it for 60 seconds and it breaks that time frame up between the spots. Now, if you want, let's just say hypothetically, you want your forehead to be a 10 and you want your cheeks to be a little less, you can do 8s on your cheeks. You can, each point you put which level you want. I went ahead and just left them all the same because I'm just trial and error to see if I want them to be different, or if I want them to be all the same, but you do have that option. I think that's really neat. And if you did want to take this with you, if you were taking it traveling or put it in your gym bag, that kind of thing, it fits perfectly right down in this bag and you can leave it in there and it stays nice and clean and protected. And then here's a little charger that you can use. And on the app, it does tell you what your battery life is. And I like that too, because then you can kind of see if you need to charge it or if you're still good to go. So now this is all set and ready. My new Luna Mini 3 is ready to go. So let's press the button so you can hear it. It's not very loud, but it feels really good. And the way you hold it in your hand, it just feels so good. So I cannot wait to use this with cleanser and actually clean my face. So that is everything that I had found about this to tell you guys. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start using it. So get your face damp first. And now I'm gonna put on the cleanser. Okay, so I just have cleanser. I'll push this button. It's on. Circular motion. Okay, so it beeped. So now I gotta move. I think I'm supposed to start with my chin. I think I'm supposed to start with my forehead actually, but it's all the same. So I didn't change the pressure point for any other part. So beeped again. The sonic pulses feel really nice though. So good. It's like I'm getting a personal massage on my forehead. So then it beeped, and it's done. So now you just rinse your face. Okay, so that is nice and clean. My face actually feels a lot cleaner. Like I can definitely feel a difference on the first time. Hey you guys, I just wanted to check in. It's been 3 nights now using that and my face is so super soft. Like I cannot believe how soft my skin is right now. So we're gonna see when I finalize, but oh my gosh, my face is baby booty skin. It's off. Okay, you guys, so it has been about 3 weeks since I have been using this every single night. Like, I cannot express the fact that my face feels amazing because of this product right here. Now, after probably the second night using this, I felt a huge difference. And then a few days later, even more of a difference. My face is so silky, soft, it's not even funny. Like, I never thought my face would feel this good. Like, I didn't think anything was wrong with my face before. Let me just throw that out there. I have pretty good skin. I mean, I break out from time to time, like on my monthly situation, but it's normally like right here or on my forehead. That's pretty much it. Thankfully, I'm almost 40. Well, this year I'll be 40. So hopefully all those bad acne days are in my past and they're behind me, not going to be in my future. But I do have to say, this makes my face so soft. Like, I can't even recognize the feel of my own face. Like, it's just amazing. When I put my cleanser on, when I put my lotion on, my serums, my moisturizer, when I'm patting in my toner, anything that I am doing to my face, I feel the hugest difference in how soft it is. Even my man was like, your face is looking really nice. And I'm like, excuse you? He's like, not like it was bad, but your face looks really, really clear, and it looks like you have like a glow to you. Your skin just is like vibrant. And I'm like, thanks to my Luna Mini 3. And he like literally felt my face. He goes, oh my gosh, that's soft. I'm like, yeah, it's my Luna Mini 3. That's y'all thanks to that, let me tell you. And I'm telling you, I never, ever thought, even going into this review, I never thought I was going to even see a difference, let alone be able to feel such a huge difference in my skin. Now, when I do my chin, because it has the 4 points and mine is set, everything is the same. My intensity level is the same. My time is the same. Everything is the same. So I just basically just wash my face with it. I start on my forehead. I go down the side. I go on my cheeks. I go in between my nose. I go even on my eyes. I like go everywhere. So at the very last one, when I'm doing my chin and like right in here, and I go down and then I like push down and I do it down my neck. So now like I can feel a huge difference from here to here because I pulled down my neck like this far in the shower with the cleanser with this. So my skin is always soft, but there's a huge softness difference like with here. So I can feel, you can't feel because you can't put your hand through here and touch me, but I can feel a huge, huge difference. And it started like the second day. I'm telling you, like the second day, I already felt a difference. And then a few days later, I'm like, holy moly, my face is super soft. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Anytime I've seen this before, anything like this, I wanted to try it. I definitely wanted to try it. Now I'm going to tell you, in another box, I did receive a competitor's, like a cheap little knockoff version of this, and I didn't see results. So that's why I was like, I don't know. I mean, I wanted to do the review because I wanted to actually see what a real, genuine product can do to my face, and it's a huge difference. So if you've ever used a knockoff version anywhere, you don't know what you're missing because this thing is amazing. Way better than that other one that I was just saying that I've tried. That one, I never felt anything whatsoever. I never felt a difference, and it didn't even last long. Like, it stopped charging. I'm a firm believer, you get what you pay for, and quality you do pay a little bit more for quality. And that is what this is right here, you guys. This is a top line quality face cleansing machine device. I'm telling you, I can't stop. Like, I'll just every now and then just like rub my hand across my face and I'm like, damn, that feels good. My face feels so much different. Like this, I did a full charge and I've been using it for about 3 weeks, and I checked on my app yesterday and my battery level is still 100% full. So on the app, you can see your battery level, so you know if it's gonna get low, if you need to recharge it. And on the app, you can change the intensity level and the time. And then the length of the time is set for 60 seconds. And I was then, because it felt so good. It just felt so good. So when I was done, I'm like, I want to do it again. So I would end up doing 2 intervals of a minute each. So I went into my app to see if I can change the time at all. And you can go up to 2 minutes. So I went ahead and changed it for 2 minutes because that's what I was doing anyway. And then after a few days, I kind of felt like it was a little too long. So I dropped it down to 1.5 minutes, and that's perfect for me because it's a little more than a minute, but it's still a little less than 2 minutes. And yeah, I love this thing. I'm telling you, when I do it, I'll even go on my eyes, I'll go in between my nose. I try to touch everything that I can. And then when it's up, I set it down, and then I just rub all the rest of the cleanser in all the other little areas to make sure that I'm cleaning my face 100% thoroughly. But I wish you could just put your hand through here and you'd be like, oh, you would know, but you can't. So I have to be the one to tell you. I am so thankful that they got a hold of me and they asked me to review this for you guys because there's going to be knockoffs. That's how people are. They buy people's style. They try to make something a little more affordable, but that doesn't mean that it's going to work or be as effective. This guy right here, 100% works. If you want to check them out, they have different colors, they have different styles, they even have a men's line. They have one for men, which is like black, I think, maybe even white. You can check them out. They have different sales all the time from different ones. You can see what's on sale at the time if you want to purchase one. I am super, super thrilled with this. It's backed by a warranty, and I can't say that enough. I am thrilled with this little device right here, and I'm not going to wash my face anymore without it. Unless it's completely dead and I have to go one night without it, but I'm gonna keep an eye on my apps so I don't have that problem. But I do like that you can customize it to your own skincare regimen based on your own preferences, your own skin texture, that kind of thing. So I really, really like how this is designed and how you use the app, which is super, super easy, super user-friendly, and I am 100% thrilled with this. Again, you can check them out. They have other products as well. When I was looking at their website, I noticed that they have electric toothbrushes, and I think I might want to go and buy one. I use an electric toothbrush because it's so much better than a manual, and it could feel a huge difference, and my dentist also recommends it. But if this works this much and I get this much results, I think I want to try their toothbrush because I'm sure their toothbrush is going to be an amazing toothbrush as well. So if you guys are interested in electric toothbrushes and you want to know my opinion on that if I do purchase it, let me know, and then I can do a review to let you guys know about it, because I think I'm going to buy one here shortly because it looks like a really good toothbrush, and my teeth are really important to me, my teeth and my eyes. So I want them both to last as long as they can. So that is everything. I wanted to come in and do my review and tell you guys again, I cannot stress the fact enough that I never, ever would have thought this would have done anything to my face, but it made a huge difference. And I even noticed like a lot of like my darker spots that I was getting a lot from being in the sun lately have kind of gone down. So my face definitely looks so much better. This new Luna Mini 3, you guys, I owe it all to this little guy right here. And yeah, I love it. And I like the fact that you have the different bristles on both sides. And I like that it's hand friendly. This feels good in my hand. The way you go through and you kind of just go through and it's like a massage, even on my forehead. When I had a migraine, I was just like, oh, like I was going in on my forehead extra long because it just felt really good. If I would have known it was this good and this effective, I would have purchased one of these a long time ago. But I didn't know, and I didn't know anyone that's ever used one to get a real positive feedback off of it. So I've always just kind of like, it's probably one of those things that just I'm not going to see any difference. I see and I feel a huge, huge difference. So that is that, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, have you seen this beautiful little thing right here? Have you ever used one of these before? Have you wanted to purchase one but didn't? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.